Hello everybody, my name is Antonio and I'm going to present our team project, the number 6. In the index, we can see an introduction, what is CO2, analysis of each variable, CO2 emissions from manufacturing industries and construction, CO2 emissions from other sectors, excluding residential and buildings and commercial, regression analysis and conclusion. We will study the two variables. First at all, we will study the measures of centrality and dispersion of each variable, and second, we will study the relation between these variables with a regression analysis. What is CO2? CO2 is a colorless, dense, and slightly reactive gas. It is responsible of the climate change. Analysis of each variable. In this section, we will analyze the two study variables by their measures of centrality, mean, median, and mode, and dispersion, variance, standard deviation, covariance, kurtosis coefficient, and asymmetric coefficient. In this table, we can see the asymmetric coefficient is almost zero. That's the reason why the mean and the median are quite similar. In terms of kurtosis coefficient, we can know that it's a Platy-Kurtis graphic. With the variance, we can deduce that the data is strongly different to the mean of the sample. As we can see in this table, the symmetric coefficient almost zero. It's follow a normal distribution. That's the reason why the mean and the median are quite similar. In terms of kurtosis coefficient, we can know that is Platy-Kurtis graphic. With the variance, we can deduce that the data is quite similar to the mean. The covariance indicates that the variable is strongly related. To make the regression analysis, we took the dependent variable and the independent variable. We did the regression analysis with the tool of Excel, obtaining these results. The regression line should be y equal a plus bx, where a is 5.89 and b is 0.66. In conclusion, we can see from the data obtained in the regression analysis using the correlation coefficient that variable CO2 emission from manufacturing and construction is defined by the variable CO2 emissions from the other sectors, excluding residential, buildings, and commercial and public service. This relationship is very strong. This is consistent with the result obtained with the covariance of the two variables. And this is all of the project team. Thank you for your attention.